Hi guys and welcome to episode 3 of Hashtag Baat Ki Baat. Today we have with us Siddhi, who is a food enthusiast who has her own YouTube channel where she cooks amazing food and posts videos on its recipes, and she is also a shaira. So, and yes, for those of you who are new here, I'm Veda Dhruv and I'm a social media and a digital marketer. So let's start with the talk. Hi Siddhi,
Hi Veda,
how are you?
I'm great. I enjoyed my weekend this time.
Yeah, festivals.
Yeah, actually.
That's nice. That's nice. So Siddhi actually cooked two dishes for two different festivals that fell on the same day, and
Yeah,
which was great. Like I do not have the stamina to cook for cook two dishes.
it's just
So
about the interest.
yeah, I guess. So Siddhi, why do you like cooking so much?
I just enjoy the process of cooking actually, and I find it really very therapeutic. Like it's just even if I'm tired, even if I'm bored, I would just enjoy cooking. Even if you tell me to go in the kitchen at night, I would really love to do that. And it just comes from my entire family. Like my whole family is into cooking. Like my family is foodie, I tell you. Everyone enjoys food, and it's like either we are talking about food or either we are having food. It just goes like that. So yeah, I enjoy the process of cooking. And everyone in my family actually cooks great food, I tell you. Like my mom, my uncle, my dad, my mom, my chachi, everyone. So I get it from them.
That's so good. That's so nice to have. So such a huge family thing, like the whole family can do together. I mean, it must be a blast in your kitchen, na?
Yeah, like every single day we are just talking about food only. In the morning after we get up, like आज क्या है खाने में, आज क्या है नाश्ते में, ऐसे ही होने.
But then the difference would be that हमारे घर पे भी यही question होता है, but then it's a bored question कि अच्छा अब क्या बनाना है. But the difference would be the enthusiasm with which that question is asked in your house, right?
Yeah. एंड हमारे फैमिली में इट इज लाइक हमको खाना भी पसंद है और हमको खिलाना भी पसंद है. सो इट इज इक्वल, लाइक खाना और खिलाना ऐसे ही हमारा चालू रहता है.
That's great. That's great. So, like, I've seen your Instagram page and I've gone through your YouTube channel also, and you
Yeah.
just cook food from across cuisines. And like ऐसा कोई एक टाइप या एक जॉनर नहीं है कुकिंग का, तो मतलब you know, these cuisines have such different processes and such different ingredients also. Like हर टाइप के फूड का इतना अलग अलग होता है. So which one of them
Yeah.
is your favorite?
Actually, till now I haven't posted anything about my favorite cuisine, and my favorite cuisine is Mughlai actually.
Wow.
Biryani, chicken curry, and everything like that. So I'm very interested in that cuisine. I haven't yet posted any video about that, and I hope I'll just post it soon.
I would love to. I'll be waiting actually. I mean, I'm
And
just so
actually,
fascinated by
in
it.
yeah, and actually, in fact, the sweets from that cuisine, I'm not much into sweets, but I really enjoyed the shahi tukda, gulab jamun, and everything. So there's something special about Mughlai cuisine, and in fact, the spices and everything. I just enjoy that food.
Vaishnavi says make veg biryani.
There's no such thing as veg biryani.
I disagree. Okay, that's not true. There
No,
is.
there's no such thing. No, no, no.
Chalo, theek hai. That's an argument about
We don't
another
want to
day.
start debate over here.
Yeah, an argument for another day.
Yeah, exactly.
So, like, how did the idea of your YouTube channel start?
एक्चुअली देयर वाज नो आइडिया, लाइक ऐसा फूड चैनल का तो कोई आइडिया था ही नहीं. सो मी एंड माय ब्रदर वांटेड टू स्टार्ट अ फूड ब्लॉग, बट no cooking channel. Like I started cooking a lot in 2020, like thanks to pandemic and everything that I started cooking a lot more than before. So it was just a week before I posted my first video. It was a Friday night. I posted my first video the next Saturday. So it was a Friday night, and I was thinking for a long time that I have to start my YouTube channel, but I didn't know about what. Like 2020 mein, it's like everyone has started their YouTube channel about
Yeah.
something or the other, and food channel though is very trending on YouTube, like was very trending April May के time पे. So I wasn't sure about it, and I wanted it something to be like कि मैं उसमें consistency maintain कर पाऊंगी मेरी.
Hmm.
The first idea that came to my mind was about my shairis, but then I was like, I don't write that much that I'll be able to be consistent on YouTube. And if you're starting your channel, you have to be consistent.
Right.
So it was a Friday night, and that time I learned that, yeah, I cook a lot. So I think I should go for it. And my mom also helps me a lot in this process. In fact, my brother and everyone helped me a lot in cooking. And everyone enjoyed the process basically. So that was the most important thing. Even if your family supports you, then there's nothing like it. So, I just thought about this thing. Like, I couldn't sleep that day, and I was just thinking that how I'm gonna execute everything. So I posted my first video in the same week.
Hmm.
I had no idea how to shoot and everything because everything was very new for me at that time. I edited my first video in the same week, and I never have edited any video before. So I edited the first video in that same week and uploaded it on Saturday. And I thought Saturday is a great day to upload such videos because
Right.
everyone is free and everything. So yeah, it was not planned at all, and it was just a week before I uploaded my first video. And then I also learned that, yeah, I am able to be consistent in this field, so I can definitely do this.
Right. Right. So,
Yeah.
like, you know, what are the challenges that you face while making videos? Like, you while cooking, there are no do-overs or there are no takes that you can do. Or like, so what is the most difficult part about making recipe videos? I mean, you make it look so easy.
Yeah, I don't find anything difficult. The technical part is only difficult, nothing other than that, I would say. Uh, Shooting was the most difficult part starting में because कैसा रहना चाहिए, we had no idea about it. And we use that whole घरेलू जुगाड़ वाला thing to shoot our
Hmm.
videos. So it takes a hell lot of time to do that process, and then we shoot our videos. So it basically takes 2 to 3 hours to make one video. That time I used to be free क्योंकि vacations ही चल रहे थे.
Hmm.
So yeah, it's just about the time and nothing else actually. But I enjoy the whole thing of shooting, editing, and whatever. So yeah, I have no
Okay.
problem.
The comment section is loaded with comments, saying we are waiting for the Mughlai cuisine ka videos.
Sure, sure.
So,
I'll try to post it in this week only.
please, we're all looking forward to it. So, like you said, you wanted to start your channel about your shairi, and you also
Yeah,
speak Urdu, a little bit of Urdu, if I'm not
yeah, a
wrong.
little bit. Hindi and Urdu ka mixture, not completely Urdu. I have to learn a lot actually, but yeah.
So, like, where did the love for shairi come from? Because it's not a very common art form as such.
Yeah. But this thing also comes from my family. Like my many of my relatives write shairis, or like they write poems, or in Hindi, English, whatever language, in Marathi also.
Hmm.
So I think it comes from them. It's in my genes, I would say. And actually, I was in my ninth standard, so that time. We had to write this thing for our chairman sir, like some welcome kind of speech. And my Hindi teacher told me to do this. Not only me, she chose few of the students to do this. And that was when I wrote my first ever shairi. So that's when it started. Before that, I used to write in English, but now I don't write much in English. I am totally into Hindi and Urdu ka mixture. So that time I used to write in English only, but now I think I write better in Hindi. So yeah.
It's just about expression. Like, Hindi is a
Yeah,
lot closer to
exactly.
us,
It's
right?
yeah, it is like you just don't read the words, you feel the words. So it's about that feeling. It's just about the expression.
Right, right. So can we hear
Yeah.
some of your shairi?
Yeah, so actually, the first ever shairi that I wrote, that only, and it is my first ever live session as well. So I would just re love to recite that one. Uh, okay. सो चांदी का है आसमान सोने की है जमीन चांदी का है आसमान सोने की है जमीन आपका स्वागत करने में नहीं छोड़ेंगे कोई कमी आपका इंतजार करते करते ही दिन लग गए लेकिन आज आप यहाँ आए तो फूल खिल गए आज आप यहाँ आए तो फूल खिल गए
Wow, क्या बात है! So beautiful.
so this was the first one that I wrote. Yeah.
Wow, that was really beautiful.
You liked it? I
I
try
loved
to
it.
post more of these.
We were actually, why don't you even just post them on your Instagram? We would love to read them. Or you
I'll
can make
continue
reels,
that.
na? Make reels about them.
Yeah, sure, sure. That's a nice idea, actually. I'll do that.
Yeah. Another thing I'm looking forward to. So, when you write shairi, like you said, it's about feeling and expressing, and it's just
Yeah,
not mere words that are strung together.
yeah.
So, what, you know, what is your muse? Like, where does the motivation come from?
Um, it's just when I listen to some songs of that kind, it just comes from them. Like basically what I do is if I'm in that mood to write something, then I would listen to some beautiful songs that has these beautiful Urdu words, and then I would start writing. So pehle I used to write a lot more than now. I would say कि अभी बहुत कम हो गया है. I don't know why, but I have to continue my writing work, and I enjoy it as well. I love writing in Urdu and Hindi. So yeah.
So, do you think, like the pandemic might have, like you said, Nagi, you've started writing a little less now. So, do you think it's the
Yeah,
lockdown and the pandemic that has affected it?
I guess.
Because I've heard of so many creators who just saw a major dip in their creativity during the pandemic.
Yeah, like this is possible actually, but the pandemic is the reason that I could cook a lot more. So I don't know.
कुछ आया कुछ गया.
कुछ आया कुछ गया. गया भी नहीं है totally. I do write sometimes, but I don't post it very often.
Right, right. Looks like we
Yeah.
have another shaira in our viewers. So Vaishnavi says, Siddhi hai shairi ki rani, Siddhi hai shairi ki rani. There's no such thing as veg biryani.
That's actually great and true.
Not true, but okay. So I just had one more question for you actually. Ki
Yeah.
if you see people of our age, they're not very fascinated by shairi, or they just view shairi as something that is pretty old fashioned, like even as an art form, and the topics that are being talked about in shairi, most famous shairis. So like, what do you have to say about that?
Actually, I won't say that many of the people, like, I mean, I see many people of our age posting pictures with caption in Urdu, like one word captions, or like a line from some beautiful song that has Urdu words. So I won't say that they completely are not interested into all this, but it is just that it is not as popular as English writing. Like,
Hmm.
uh, but yeah, it is all about expressing, so I don't really mind writing.
So like, what do you think might be the reason for English poetry or English art form being so famous as compared to Hindi and Urdu art forms?
Um, it is just that English is widely spoken language, so maybe because of that.
Right.
Um, but yeah, I to enjoy it. So
Yeah. If it has the feeling, then why not? Like, of course,
Yeah,
it's
why not?
enjoyable.
Exactly. Because each time I read or hear some Urdu word, I'm just like I get very attached to it. It's so beautiful.
Right. So I guess that's it about the questions from my side. Let's just open it to the audience and see if they have any questions.
Yeah, yeah.
By the way, this live video has been, I think, by far it has had the most viewers till now. Like, our viewership didn't go down below, I think, 13 or 14 this time.
Oh my God. I think it is about food, that's why.
Because who doesn't love food, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. Who doesn't love food?
What's coming up for Laziz Khazana?
Uh, let's see. Stay tuned.
So we definitely know that the Mughalai cuisine is coming up.
Let's see. As I said, stay tuned.
Yeah. So Bruce Wayne 4497 asks, where does Siddhi see herself in 5 years?
Um, Cooking in some my own. I think I'll have my own food. I'll have my own cafe or maybe something like that.
That's great. So Gauri has a question. How do you manage all these together? It must be so hectic.
Uh, I don't know. If I love doing it, then there's no problem. Like I enjoy everything. I enjoy what I do, so there's no such thing called as hectic.
I mean, you always find time for the things you love, right? Okay, what do you
Yeah.
find annoying about YouTube?
Um, I think the monetization, like the जब monetization start होता है तुम्हारा, that's the most annoying thing, I guess. Require 4,000 watch time, 4,000 hours of watch time and 1K subscribers. But that is okay actually. Like, okay, that you can set it as your target and keep going. So not annoying. I don't know, I've never thought about it.
Okay. So there's obviously a demand for more recipes.
That I'll keep uploading.
You know what? I think you should even make shairi about food here and then post it on your channel.
Yeah, actually, I had this idea also, but it didn't go well. Like I just thought, but I start writing more now. So yeah, I'll definitely do that.
So Bruce Wayne is putting you in a fix and asking you, if given only one option, what would you choose? Cooking or shairi?
Um, I would say cooking.
Cooking.
Yeah,
Because पेट भरना
which
जरूरी है ना यार.
पहले पेट पूजा.
How would you, how about reciting shairis while cooking?
Yeah, shairi. Yeah, reciting shairis while cooking actually. But there was like these two options were there, no? So that's why I chose cooking.
Abhishek asks, खाना या बनाना?
खाना सबसे पहले खाना सॉरी ऑब्वियसली बनाना oh shit yeah
Anyway, Siddhi, it was so good to have you, and it was one fun session today.
thanks for having me. I really enjoyed my first ever live session.
All right. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for having me.
Bye.
Bye.